Okay guys, so this vlog, sakto, I need to book a flight kasi to go to Australia. No, not Australia. Pauwi ako from New Zealand kasi pupunta ako ng New Zealand because we have a trip, diba? And the perfect idea here is sabi ko, oh my God, sakto kasi pwede ko nang gawin tong booking na to para mapakita sa inyo. If you're going to book via Cathay Pacific, award tickets, paano mo siya gagawin? Now, I do have some videos about how you can convert your points to your Cathay. Diba? First things first, you definitely need to have a Cathay Pacific membership or yung Cathay membership niya. Currently, if you're going to see my screen, naglo-login na muna ako dito, naka-blur out yan. But meron akong account kasi you definitely need to have an account first for you to be able to convert your mga credit card points to your air miles. So I have it here and meron na akong balance dito. Guys, naka-blur lang yung mga other information here because syempre, alam niyo naman hindi pwede. And then, once you are logged in, you will be able to see here on the website nito, book a flight or book a trip, and then you have to click on redeem flights. Yung redeem flights, guys, very important. Ganito siya. And then leaving from Auckland ako to Manila. And then one way lang kukunin ko. And then syempre, since we're using miles, let's do business class na, diba? Departing on the 28th of February and then click on redeem. So, guys, make sure lang na importante dito is you have to make sure na alam mo yung mga flights na gusto mo, diba? Kung saan ka. Before I shot this video, nagsasearch na rin ako kung saan ako pupunta na route, saan ako maglaland, yung ganon. So, dapat alam mo na muna siya. There are a lot of different options that you can choose. So, ang importante dito, alam mo where you want to go. So, there. Now, alam kong Auckland to Manila ang flight ko kasi kailangan ko umuwi by March 1. And then at least, ang kaganahan dito, uuwi naman ako by March 1 because nakita ko yung mga flights na to. And here you'll see that this flight will take up or costs 84,000 Cathay miles. Does it go on sale? Possibly sometimes, yes. Pero hindi siya katulad ni Singapore Airlines na mas maraming mga sale yun kasi ba every month nagsasale yan. Ito, medyo hindi siya ganon. But I wanted to ride Cathay na business class rin na medyo long haul kasi ito pag nakita mo 11 hours and 20 minutes from Auckland to Hong Kong and then may layover ako and then Hong Kong to Manila naman yung flight ko. So total duration ko dito is 14 hours and 25 minutes. You'll see here. Now, if you're okay with this, what I love about it here rin is at least ito sure ka na kasi may availability. Kasi if you see na meron siyang 84,000 Asia miles or Cathay miles, then you know you can book that. Just click on it. Pag na-click mo siya, color blue yan dapat. And then scroll down, I'll see here na 84,000 Asia miles siya. And then there are taxes of 1,319 Hong Kong dollars. Sa totoo lang, si Cathay Pacific, mas mahal yung taxes niya compared to Singapore Airlines. It's not as cheap as Singapore Airlines, but it is what it is. Diba? Ganito talaga siya eh. Why am I doing these two videos? One is the Singapore Airlines, one is the Cathay Pacific. Kasi sa totoo lang, ito yung dalawang airlines that make sense for me, diba? And a lot of Filipinos rin maybe. Because at least, Singapore Airlines, if we're going go down, we're going to Europe, pwede tayo bumaba, tapos mag-fly tayo to Europe, or pwede tayo bumaba, go to US, okay? Then we can use miles, maganda aircraft nila, maganda rin service. Cathay naman, maganda siya. Aakyat tayo ng Hong Kong, then we can go to Beijing, Japan, Korea, pwede rin mag-US, pwede ka rin mag-Europe, it depends. And ito kasi, maraming credit card natin can convert to Cathay at saka Singapore Airlines. Unlike yung others na medyo mapili kasi talaga sila. Now, so it's 1,319. And then after that, we'll just click on next. Okay. And then, after we click on next, makita natin ito siya. So, ito yung total na miles. Double check all of your different flights kung tama na yan. And then simply just click on next. And then here, you will confirm. Now, ito yung sinasabi ko, bakit importante nandito na lahat ng details mo? Kasi automatically populated na. Nandito yung pangalan mo, nandito yung name mo, nandito siya. And then you can also put your frequent flyer program. Remember that I was able to get a JAL mileage bank na promo. So, right now, I will get my JAL account. Kasi ito yung JAL ko na yung video ko na business class na lumipad ako, 'di ba? Na fast track ako kasi bumili ako ng isang business class na round trip ticket. So, ipapasok ko siya dito. Okay? So, I'll put the JAL account ko here. Sorry for that. Biglang nagka-pause. Kasi nga yung JAL natin, yung previous video ko, 'di ba napanood nyo guys, nag-business class ako because na fast track yon. So, if ever you haven't, just it's here naman. So, nagkakaroon ng mga promos ganun yon. And JAL and Cathay is one world. So, pwede natin ilagay kasi you'll get extra baggage here just in case I need it, 'di ba? Kasi na-downgrade ako sa Cathay ko kasi nga hindi ko na-meet yung flight requirements ko for that year. But it's okay kasi mas mura yung when I bought that JAL ticket compared to the Cathay one. So I'll just click on next. Double check lahat, 28, flight details. Ito yung mga requirements, Auckland to Hong Kong, and then I can choose my seat. So ito, syempre guys, I recommend choose your seats na kasi maaga to. Kumuha na kayo. Kunin niyo yung mga priority ng mga seats. I would get the first one in front kasi alam mo maganda to. And then, next. And then the other one, choose ko na rin. Hong Kong to Manila, dito ako. Gusto ko sa window. Kasi alam mo yun guys, pag ganito, G ako sa window. Diba? Okay, perfect. And then, yun na yung seats ko. And then, click on next. Your itinerary is here. Double check. Lahat po siya ganyan, di ba guys? Make sure, nandyan nakapasok, business standard. 2 pieces luggage naman siya. Seats ko nandyan na rin. And then, tama ba tayo? Auckland to Manila siya. Auckland to Manila. Perfect. Feb 28. Yes, 2025. Ganyan yung mga importante. Double check lang natin ang mga details. And then, we will now pay. So, I would add another card here because the card here, guys, is a new card. Gagamitin natin yung mga magandang card for miles. So, for this video, I will be using the Metrobank one kasi yung world niya for international purchase nasa for as low as 17 pesos for 1 air mile. 17 pesos spend mo. So, yun yung gamitin natin, di ba? Okay, enter my card. And then, everything else, I hereby continue and then redeem now. And then, after a few minutes, or a few seconds lang naman, guys, loading siya. Tago ko na yung credit card nyo ko because, syempre naka-mic tayo dito para maganda. Talagang, buti na I have time to shoot this content, guys. Ito yung mga gusto ko pag kahit nagta-travel ako. And then, OTP na tayo. So, aabangan ko yung OTP ko. Perfect. Dumating na yung OTP. Again, this is a good reminder for me to say na, guys, pag nag-OTP na, alam nyong compromise account nyo yan. If ever hindi binibigay ang OTP, kung hindi ikaw mag-purchase, wala ka dapat nakukuha ang OTP. Kung meron ka nakukuha ang OTP, wag mo ibibigay yan. Cancel that credit card, call the bank and ask na compromise yung card mo. That's my reminder. And then here, flight awards, hintayin lang natin, naglo-load. And then later, in a few while, nandiyan na siya. And nakita ko na dito sa mga SMS ko na Boogs, si Metrobank, nag-message na rin na nag-spend na rin daw ako. And this is it. The trip summary is here. Diba? Feb 28. Perfect. Lahat ng mga details mo nandito. Even your details. And then even all of your taxes are here. And yes, na-charge na siya. And yun na yun. It's as simple as that. You are now booked with that ticket. Ganito lang siya kabilis. And then dapat makita mo mababawasan ka na ng air miles. So if I'm going to look into my account, currently, I think hindi pa siya bawas. Usually, it will take a day para mabawasan yan. Pero you know that pag na-successful yan, meaning you have enough miles to go to that. Even if you don't have enough miles naman, guys, don't worry, you can even search for mga flights. So, maraming mga places that you can go to. Pwede ka rin mag-round trip ticket, pwede ka mag-one-way ticket. It really depends on you. Pero ang pinaka-importante dito, always remember that, guys, these are, for me, if you want, diba, to experience business class, this is one good way for you to experience business class. You know, booking via miles and earning those points that you have. Pero syempre, the best way is when you convert your air miles, final reminder before the end of this vlog naman, you know, abangan natin, paminsan kasi nagsisale sila na parang, oh, you have bonus transfer miles. If ever you transfer from this credit card to air miles, meron ka 10%. Cathay, usually nagkakaroon yan ng mga March, April, last year, ganun meron siya. I think I can put up picture here, meron silang gano'n na promo. The same with Singapore Airlines, paminsan nagkakaroon, kailangan mo lang siya abangan. Kaya nagbabasa-basa tayo ng mga messages, emails from the banks kasi they would have those promo. And then, of course, importante rin dito is If ever you want to book for your other members, pwede rin naman siya. It's just a different way. You just have to enroll them usually doon sa account mo. Either Singapore Airlines man yan or sa Cathay Pacific. So that's one good way to do it para at least you can book for them as well. And of course, before we end, syempre, please guys, wag nyo gagawin to na parang you spend money just for you to earn those air miles. I don't think that's a good way. You know, you spend it or you put it on your credit card because, di ba, ang benefit mo is you can earn miles. Hindi yung nagsispend ka mindlessly because you just want to have air miles. Parang, it doesn't make sense. Yung parang gumagastos ka for the sake of gumagastos ka to get air miles. I don't think that's good. Basta budgeted siya, go. If, for example, meron ka mga expenses na pwedeng i-credit card, kaya kina-credit card ko siya because I know in the back of my mind, kailangan ko siya, then may air miles ako na-earn. Hindi siya, gusto ko lang gumastos because gusto ko nagka-air miles. Parang, wag na ganun. Bumili ka na lang ng ticket. Definitely, paminsan, mas mura pa yun, di ba? And, of course, lagi ko sinasabi, kaskas wisely po tayo. Huwag tayong hindi nagkakaskas wisely. And please watch my other videos because I will definitely share this business class experience ko, long haul with Cathay Pacific. I would have one with Singapore Airlines as well, kaya medyo excited rin ako. This trip actually is not 100% fully planned out. Parang hindi siya dapat nasa plan ko. That's why I'm so happy na meron ako mga air miles kasi I will attend a very special event in Australia. That's why ginaw ko to. As in, alam mo yun yung parang naayos ko yung budget ko, napasok ko kung kaya. And then, buti na lang lahat ng mga majority ng fare ko is miles. Kaya parang ang baba ng binayaran ko. Diba? This is around 8,000 pesos, 9,000 pesos in tax. Then Singapore Airlines ko is around, mas mura rin naman. Parang ilang 1,000 pesos lang. But at least, yun yung maganda, di ba? Anyways, I hope this helps, guys. Comment down below kung natuwa kayo sa video na to. And don't forget to share it as well with your friends and family. Kasi the more I create these kind of videos, ang gusto ko talaga is, yes, kaya natin i-experience to. We just need to, you know, use our points wisely. And then, let me know kung naka-book kayo with miles. Kasi guys, gusto ko talaga ma-experience ng everyone na, oh, business class. Yun. Bye, guys.